Got something good, boys. I don't know what it is, but I am on, and it is pulling some drag. He hit the fiddler crab. I don't know what this is. Whatever it is, it's good size. This probably be the first decent fish. Woo! I don't know. I don't know. It's trying to break me off. Oh. Ooh. I don't know what it is. Whatever it is, it does not want to be hooked. Ooh. Heck yeah. Oh, I caught a, out of all the things I could catch, I caught a fucking catfish. Oh man, excuse my French, but yeah, I hate these things. It's a catfish. Oh my gosh. I hate these things. Stupid catfish. Huh? Oh yeah. Oh man. Boys, look at it. Nice catfish. We about to get this hook out and we about to get it re-rigged.